Previously in part 1.
Create any videos. Yes, I mean any videos. We are focusing more on the planning side of the video. I will see you in the next one. What is up, YouTube? In part 2 on how to create any videos, we are focusing more on finding a suitable background music. Intro. Hey, it's Marc-Albert. How are you doing today? Woo! Wait, if you need to make content about photography, filmmaking, and much more, my hope is by each video that you are inspired to create. So please stick around and find out. You never know, you might learn something. Let's go! Background music tends to set the mood. Now you're probably wondering, where can I find music? Well, I'm glad you asked. If you don't have a music producer to produce a song for you, there are a couple places that I use personally who are not sponsoring this video at all. Like Epidemic Sound, Storyblocks, and even YouTube. Reason why finding a suitable music after planning is because it will make it a tad bit easier to edit when we get to editing. So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.